Get started then. Who's going first? First of all, open your cards. There's 2 cards down there. One for you and one for Hershey, I think. No,
all I want for Christmas.
There's another one down there. Oh, there you are. Okay.
Is you know what?
Is it why randomly?
All I
Yeah.
want for Christmas is
Yeah,
you know
I've
what
got,
I want.
I've got it both in.
Oi, very beautiful. Wow, I got the tag over at the back here. How much this costs?
Oh, me too.
Uh,
We'll pretend like it doesn't exist.
Yeah.
It's fine.
oh, this is so beautiful. Wow.
There you go. It doesn't exist.
Look, it's very beautiful.
Look how cute it is.
Yeah, that's so cute. Oh my God.
Put it next to mine.
Yeah, so beautiful.
Put it next to yours.
I saw it. But the next one, I have something of that.
You're making it up now.
I got stomachache from laughing. Hello, Daddy, I'm really sorry. I'll give you something instead.
No. The moment is gone, hasn't it? So.
Thank you.
Oh,
That's all right,
Daddy, I
yeah.
cannot even do it now. Sorry. Because my life is so much warmer and brighter with you by my side. And if you only knew
Of course it's
how
warm.
happy you make me.
Because it's warm and brighter. There's a telephone stuck between the two.
What? There's a what? There's a what?
The phone stuck between.
What was this? I cannot see the letter. Then you would know how much I will always endlessly love you. With all my heart. Merry Christmas to my darling wife. From your ever-loving husband, Colin. Hi, Tara. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. It's so beautiful. I didn't read the front page here.
Right,
My
who's gonna-
wonderful wife.
Who's going to open the first
You may not
present?
hear this as often as you should. I don't hear it as
Okay, give Mum a present then. One that you've.
What's this?
Present.
Mm.
You done?
Is this for me? From who?
Me.
From
I'm gonna
you.
go get a blanket.
From you.
Yeah, wait. All eyes on Ted.
That's a matter of not
that.
caring. That's nice, isn't it?
On my days, I got a lot of stuff. What is this?
Oh, that's nice now. What is it now? They bake our makeup.
Makeup. What is this? There's so many things in here. Oh, wow. There's stuff. I don't know if I'm. Oh, what is this?
I'll put music on. Because it's so fun.
Alright. Mommy, I don't know if I'm. Oh, eyeliner! Yes! Look at that! Oh, that is so cool.
Yeah, so you've got a couple of years before you can use it, haven't you? You know?
What do you mean? An eyeliner, like thingy. Not like Mummy's, it's a different one. This is, I'm guessing it's mascara. Has to be. Yes, look at that. Oh,
Yeah, you like mascara.
yes, I do. What are these? Lipstick? I bet you they are already.
from me and Daddy.
You got me another teddy bear. I love teddy bears. They're beautiful. Anyway. Oh, thank you. I've got bears now.
Next.
Your turn. I don't know what else to do. Just lift it up, yeah?
So I thought your mother and daughter, see, both should have something similar.
Wait, I'm not ready. Wait, I'm not ready.
Ready?
Okay,
3,
1, 2, 3,
2, 1,
go.
go.
Oh! Ah!
Designer stuff, no less.
Wow!
Oh, thank you so much, Daddy. So cute.
So nice.
Open the zip and have a look inside.
Is that my
Ah,
the
there's
front part.
millions in here.
In the front zip, the front one.
Ah.
No, you've got a bag of fresh air, that's all.
Oh!
Money!
Oh, I've got loads.
Thank you!
I've got loads. Is this my?
Money! I'd laugh if I got that.
Daddy, this is not enough my share for your bonus.
Now you can let the bag.
Thank you, Daddy. Look at this. Oh my God.
Because the bags wasn't cheap.
Huh?
So the bags wasn't cheap. You would have got more. You know.
Really?
Look after them. They're frilly.
Yeah, I know they are.
Wow!
Yeah.
Daddy,
Huh?
oh my God, it's the first time I touch a crush from you.
Really? No, you're joking.
Normally, if I touch a crush, it's from me. But more than this.
Do you like the bags?
Yeah.
I like what's inside, Daddy. Can you give more?
How grateful can you get home?
Can't even just be like that. Look at me with my 20.
No, it's very nice, Daddy. Thank you so much. Oh my God, Daddy, you really give me this. Oh my God, when you go buy this type of bag, you know that there's something, you know. Oh my God, Daddy, thank you so much. Allah, now I feel so conscious now. So you should. That I don't have nothing for you. I told you it's coming in the new year.
It's not that, is it? I don't want it in the new year.
Imagine if I didn't read it and I got.
Yeah, you see.
I would have got the money. I'd laugh.
Oh my
I
God.
had to check twice to make sure I got the cards put in the right way. I marked one of the boxes actually, you know.
Did you really?
Yeah.
What is this? This one is from my sister, Breezy. Very cute. Open the big box.
Sorry, I'm just counting my. Yes, which big box?
There's a big box.
That one.
Yes.
Is that what I think?
Oh, this one. Which one? This one?
I don't know.
Oh,
You
you, that one. You open that one.
this one.
Yeah, open that one.
Oh,
Is it heavy?
little bit. The shoe.
No. Open it.
I want to run it in the factory in a minute.
Football trainers. Actually, these new football trainers. Oh, they're shoes. Thank you.
Yeah, that's the one you said you like it.
Really?
Remember?
No.
When I asked you? That was a long time ago. And I sent you the picture. It's nice.
Your feet have obviously grown a lot since then.
Yes.
No! Try it
I'm
then!
doing it. Oh, thank you. Oh, they do look really nice. Thank
Yeah.
you. I'm gonna wear these to school now. Oh, for PE only.
Ah, the dirt! It's why. Not in a muddy, yeah?
I don't know about that.
But we do have a slight problem. There's no space left to store the shoes anywhere.
I know. This is from me and Daddy, all of this.
I thought this was.
No, it's not. I was wrong.
Ah, okay.
I was
Because I was like, how would it fit?
Yeah.
Ooh, clothes.
That's the one you like the design, the thing is.
Which one?
But that is different. You remember you have a favorite like that? But it was the dark blue.
Oh, yeah, you found another one.
Yeah.
Oh my
It's the
God,
last
see
one.
that?
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
Then there's another one too.
Another one.
To be paired with that one.
Oh, you got me a whole new outfit. Wow. Ooh, what's this? Pants. Trousers.
Yeah, it's nice. There's something like that.
Like velvet.
Yes,
Ooh,
nice.
thank you. Thank you.
Next,
It's like cheap to me now.
that green one is for you. It's all your
Where's
research.
Daddy's?
Yeah, why don't the last one is Daddy?
Which one? The green one?
The green one.
This one's heavy.
Yeah.
It's heavy. I'm sure this is
Yes. Okay. Open it.
onto your.
You always wanted this one. Oh! Are you coming?
Where is it?
I saw this and she always wanted this. Yeah. You used to have like this, but it's small already. So, close your eyes. Close your eyes when you're opening. Ah, Katrina.
Ready.
Wait. Sharon.
This is jacket. Oh!
I forgot what was the
this
name.
one?
What was the name of it now?
What?
Petite Eyes. What was this?
This one.
The Rudy Perkins or the
Petit. It says petit.
Petite
Look at that! New denim jacket! Thank you! I remember having this. I remember when we went to Victoria.
Yeah,
And
you
we
were
went to the
about
park.
yeah, it's so
I remember
cute.
that. Thank you! I'm so
always
much
want
worried. Go give that to his now. I
Yeah.
feel bad
Yes.
for him.
Yeah, give that to that. I hope I took out that.
I hope so too. Here you go.
It's already done. Actually, I don't know how to get them. I got stuck in town today and I didn't have my money, so I didn't manage to get
From Amazon.
from Amazon. No, because I love Amazon. No, that's not from Amazon. I just used your box.
Who would have thought? Is it right there?
No.
Oh, pair of jeans.
Yeah, because you always say that want some jeans?
Yeah.
Why did you have a
You want another one?
Thank you very much. I'll have to try them on, but I think they're too small.
No, they're your size, Daddy.
What, 44?
Yes, Daddy, because you put weight. That's not 44.
No, that's 40. I'm 44.
Are you really 44 now?
A long time I've been 44. All my jeans, if you look at my jeans, these are 44. Minimum is 42, but otherwise 44. I try them, but I don't think they fit.
But it looks big. It looks the biggest. Well, I can change it anyway. I still got the thingy because I was confused.
For my friends, okay, from Ellen.
Oh, it's cute, the glass.
Can't really smell much, but you know what? I like candles, so thank you.
Look, looks like my mum's good glasses.
I know, it does as well. Okay. It's also Ellen's.
Okay.
I'll make a crisp packet. Ellen's actually got his sensation.
A what?
Ellen's got his sensation. I have 2 bags of sensations now. Look at that. Got me food. My friends know me very much about
That you eat a lot. You see, my friends know me now that I eat food. That you like food.
This one's from our other friends. Ooh. I wonder what this is.